आपल्या मुलीच्या शिक्षणावर परिणाम होऊ नये म्हणून अत्यंत गरीब परिस्थिती असतानाही ऑटो चालवणाऱ्या एका ऑटो चालकाच्या मुलीने सुवर्ण कामगिरी केली आहे। अंगडी इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नॉलॉजी मॅनेजमेंट कॉलेजची विद्यार्थिनी कपिलेश्वर नगर येथील मेघना अनिल पवार हिने आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजन्स डेटा सायन्समध्ये सुवर्ण पदक मिळवून विशेष कामगिरी केली आहे। वडिलांच्या कुरिअर सेवेसोबतच ते शाळेच्या मुलांना नेण्या आणण्याचे काम करतात। मासिक उत्पन्नाव्यतिरिक्त कोणतेही उत्पन्न नाही, मात्र मुलांसाठी मालमत्ता बनवण्याऐवजी त्यांनी मुलांनाच आपली मालमत्ता बनवल्याचे दिसून येते।
Gold medal for with first rank in BE Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Naresh Chaudhary, Srinivasa Institute of Technology, Mangaluru received.
Namaskar, I am Meghna Anil Pawar. I have secured first rank in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science department. Firstly, I would like to thank my parents for supporting me. Namaste, I am Meghna Anil Pawar. I am from Artificial Intelligence and Data Science department. I have studied in Angadi Institute of Technology and Management and I have secured first rank in our department. I would like to thank my parents for supporting me. I would also like to thank our college, Director Ma'am Smurti Patil, Principal Sir Dr. Anand Deshpande Sir, HOD Sir Sagar Birje Sir, and my teacher Chetan Patil Sir for supporting me. This is all possible because of them and the support. My father is an auto driver and my mother is a homemaker. I would study every day for 2-3 hours. Whatever was taught, I would revise it. So it was easier for me to produce it during the exam. Sir, I want to work in data science field. I want to go forward in data science field.
Thank you. विनोद कोलकार, KMM मराठी, बेळगाव।